Australia, Thailand, Maldives, the Red Sea. Yet far from each other, just off their coasts, these destinations share a beautiful treasure that attracts millions of tourists each year: coral reefs. Today, coral reefs support a billion-dollar tourist industry and feed hundreds of millions of people. The world's most biologically diverse marine ecosystem is home to over 950,000 living species. We don't even know 10% of them yet. The tsunami in Southeast Asia in 2004 was a sad example to remind us of their major role in coastal protection. Who isn't overwhelmed by the colorful world of the reefs? But sadly, coral reefs are in trouble. Due to poorly planned human activities, over 15% of the world's reefs have been lost in the past decade. Today, an additional 30% are severely threatened. Pollution, global warming, overfishing, and blast and poison fishing are amongst the main causes for reef loss. The non-profit Reef Check Foundation was established in 1997 to stop the coral reef crisis. Every year, our certified marine scientists train volunteers in over 80 countries in order to monitor reef health. The Reef Check monitoring methods are globally standardized and easy to learn. They were designed for non-professionals to collect proper scientific data with limited instruction. As they are counted along a so-called transect line, groupers and lobsters are among the organisms that act as indicators for reef health. Join us and help saving the reefs. Every scuba diver can be a marine scientist for a couple of days. You can easily combine your diving holiday with it too. Instructions will be held on 1 or 2 nights at the dive center or on board the dive vessel. After that, 1 dive per day will be a reef check dive, and you'll be surprised how much more there is to explore. The scientist lays the transect line at a defined depth along the reef. The first volunteer team counts fishes. Indicator species are groupers, sweetlips, parrotfish, butterflies and others that people either eat or catch for aquarium trade. A second team observes invertebrates. These are pencil and diadema urchins, giant clam and banded coral shrimp, as well as the crown of thorns sea star, and a few more. People collect these beautiful animals for souvenir trade or eat them. Their frequency may be an indicator for a change in the ecological balance of the reef. This team also reports on pollution and coral disease. If the fragile ecological balance of the reef is disturbed by man, this may soon result in an alarming threat to the whole reef. The third team checks the substrate beneath the line. Every 50 centimeters they drop a weight to see whether it's hard or soft coral, sponge, sand or rubble, or whether it's recently killed coral they are looking at. From these figures, we can get valuable information about total reef cover, threats to reef health or reef recovery after damage or disease. Mission completed. Together with the scientists, the volunteers can do a first evaluation of the data on site. The results will be sent to Reef Check headquarters in Los Angeles. They are being used to help national governments track reef health. Finally, all our volunteers are rewarded with a certificate. At the end of the day, everybody agrees, Reef Check is not just science, work and study. You learn a lot, while it's great fun too. In cooperation with selected dive operators, Reef Check Europe offers frequent trips. Everyone can do it. Join us and help to save our reefs. For further information, browse www.reefcheck.de.